Injuries on construction sites can be catastrophic. And when someone is injured on a construction site, there's multiple defendants that may be responsible for your injuries. Yes, you have a workers' compensation claim that your employer will provide your medical treatment, and in the state of New Jersey, they will usually give a permanency award. But in addition to your medical treatment being provided from your employer, there also may be other parties responsible. The general contractor, some other contractors who are here at the site. There also may be the product itself that's responsible, and that's called a product's liability claim. If one of the machines malfunctioned or something didn't work properly. So it's important, if you are injured at a construction site or a family member is injured at a construction site, that you ask the right questions and you make sure that your rights are being protected. At Grungo Colarulo, if we can help, we will.